Hold on, you're gonna see me in a second. I just have to get this out. Okay. So I'm about to show you my by far most favorite treat. Sometimes I'm really like craving it, but other times I'm not. Sorry. Okay. And I'm going to eat it. Gonna try to eat it as much as I can before I get braces, which is on October 6th. So what I do is I'm gonna put this in for 25 seconds. And this is a giant roaster. It's really, really big. You can use regular marshmallows. I just use these because they're more fun to watch. You can either put it like this or like this. I like to put mine like that. No, I'll just do it like this. Okay. Put it in the microwave. Close the door, obviously, and press start. Now watch this. It's growing. Ah, it fell over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at it. Oh, it was bigger. But yeah. So it's sort of gonna be like really hot. So no, I'm just joking. It's pretty hot. So I'm just gonna let it cool down while I run to the restroom really fast. So I came back from the bathroom and it's all deflated. So I'm gonna eat it. 1 second, I gotta get a good bite.
School on the playground.
That's going on YouTube.